Are you a fan of the hit medical drama Chicago Med? If so, you might be wondering how the show will fare without the beloved character of Dr. Crockett Marcel. Well, wonder no more. The addition of two new characters, Dr. Caitlin Lennox and Dr. John Frost, in the season 10 premiere has brought a fresh and exciting energy to the series. In the aftermath of a devastating shipwreck, Gaffney Medical Center is overwhelmed with patients. This is where Lennox and Frost come in. Sarah Ramos, known for her role in Parenthood, plays Dr. Lennox, a no-nonsense, straightforward woman who excels in her job. Darren Barnett from Never Have I Ever plays Dr. Loop. Frost, a pediatric doctor who is charming, understanding, and meticulous. Lennox and Frost are the perfect additions to the Chicago Med cast as they bring a new dynamic to the show. Lennox is a strong and capable leader, while Frost is a caring and dedicated doctor. And together they make a great team and are sure to provide plenty of drama and excitement in the upcoming season. But what about Marcel, you ask? While it's true that his departure is a loss for the show, the introduction of Lennox and Frost has helped to soften the blow. And these new characters are so captivating and dynamic that they easily distract from Marcel's absence. In short, if you're a fan of Chicago Med, you're in for a treat with the addition of Dr. Caitlin Lennox and Dr. John Frost. They're the perfect replacements for Marcel and are sure to bring a fresh and exciting energy to the show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And before I go, I just have to say, have you ever noticed how doctors on TV always seem to have perfect hair, even after performing surgery all day? It's a mystery for the ages. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,